Need to work with a U3D file embedded in a PDF or from a CAD export? This is a universal 3D format designed for document embedding and cross-platform viewing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, create, and convert these universal 3D files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single U3D file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. U3D files are universal 3D model files following the ECMA 363 standard designed for embedding interactive 3D content in PDF documents and other electronic publications. They store 3D mesh geometry materials, textures, animations, and scene hierarchy in a compressed format optimized for compact file size and streaming delivery. U3D files follow the ECMA 363 specification using a block-based binary format with declaration and continuation blocks for progressive mesh streaming. The format stores index triangle meshes with quantized vertex data, material descriptions, using shading models, texture references, animation keys, and group node scene hierarchy. To gain full access to U3D, the application needed is Adobe Acrobat Pro from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows exposes limited model information, so full review needs advanced 3D design programs. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your U3D file and click Open With. If Adobe Acrobat Pro is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If your U3D file will not open yet, do not panic. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your U3D file is not opening. First, viewing in Adobe Reader. U3D content is most commonly encountered embedded within PDF files. Open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader and click on the 3D viewport to activate interactive viewing. Rotate, zoom, and pan the 3D model using mouse controls. Use the 3D toolbar to switch between predefined views and rendering modes. Next, opening standalone U3D files. Open standalone U3D files in MeshLab using File, then Import Mesh. MeshLab reads the mesh geometry and materials for viewing and processing. Alternatively, convert U3D files to more common formats using CAD Assistant from OpenCascade, which supports U3D import and export to STEP, OBJ, and STL formats. Finally, creating U3D for PDF embedding. Use MeshLab or Acrobat Pro to create U3D files for PDF embedding. In MeshLab, export any 3D model to U3D format, then insert it into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro's Rich Media tool. LaTeX users can embed U3D files in PDF documents using the Media 9 or Movie 15 packages for scientific publications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.